Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, in the past and the present, I've been told I talk way too much in a lot of my videos. So in hindsight is 2020 sort of way, I have decided to go back and start revamping some of my older videos. A couple reasons. YouTube is really not paying well right now, and so that'll kind of give me some content that I can put up instead of putting new videos up 3 times a week, because I just can't keep up that kind of content and do the kind of videos I want to do. So if you're watching this video, it is the shortest possible version I can make. Probably doesn't have near enough information in it for most of you out there, but yet again, like I said, I always end up with a million questions, yet I'm told I talk too much. But beyond that point, these videos are going to be as short as I can possibly make them. If you have any questions whatsoever, please go watch the long version, the longest version of these videos. Some of these are going to have short versions, or long versions, short versions, and now even shorter versions. So, but if you need more information, go find the other video on that. If this says shorter version or condensed version or something like that, go find the long version if you have some questions. Alright, without further ado, let's get to it. Here we are underneath, right below the exhaust manifold that comes off the motor here. And all it is on these, there is 3 bolts, 15mm bolts. Pop that one. Oop. And you got another one, which you probably can't see yet, on this side, right there. And then you're going to come back towards the back of your truck. There is this, which is actually, it looks like there's a catalytic converter in front of it and a catalytic converter behind it. Anyways, there is, right behind this one is another exhaust gasket that goes right in here, and those head on back to the other catalytic converter, and then on back to the 2-into-1 muffler. Anyway, so this gasket and the 2 up front are what I'm replacing right now. Well, hopefully you can see this. This is the gasket you want to put on first, the one that goes behind this first catalytic converter. So we'll get that one on there, because I split this apart, and then you're going to want to put the other ones on in the front. I thought since I was under here I'd throw one of these in for you, so you know, because they have a kind of a flange on one side and then it's rounded on the other. The actual flat flange goes pointing up into the actual exhaust manifold, which kind of makes it difficult, because if you're not careful it will fall right out of there. But then that is going to go up on there like that. You take this flange, put it up on there, put your bolts in, and you'll have her all buttoned up. Well, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.